Blurams 1080p Dome Security Camera PTZ Surveillance System with Motion Sound Detection, Smart AI Alerts, Privacy Mode, Night Vision, Two-way audio cloud local storage available works with Alexa 360 overage monitoring, 118 FOV, 355 horizontal range and 90 vertical range provide clarity 360 coverage. 1080p resolution with night vision provide crisp event footage at day and night. Two-way audio allows you talk with the family or send voice command to your dog. AI facial recognition, let you know if your kid is back home or alert you if there is a stranger. Secure your home and easier to manage saved events. Each security camera comes with 1 month free trial for 7-day continuous recording. Smart instant alerts, get notified on your smartphone when Dome camera detects motion and sounds, such as baby crying, smoke alarming or glass breaking. You also can select specific areas to get alerts. Motion tracking and auto cruise mode feature horizontally scan the area automatically. Multi-camera viewing, accessing 4 live streaming simultaneously on the smartphone. Putting your security cameras on living room, nursery, kitchen or office and you can monitor 4 places at a time with one operation. Works with Alexa. Connects with select Alexa devices to launch on-demand video at your simple voice command for instant viewing. You can ask the Alexa to show your room or kitchen where you put the Blurams Dome camera. Why Blurams? Blurams advocates user experience and technological innovation. We are dedicated to make everyone live a carefree life. Blurams Snowman 1080p, never miss a thing. How to set up your snowman. 1. Download the Blurams app and sign up for a free Blurams account. 2. Click the plus icon on the home page and choose the Blurams Home Pro. 3. Click the bottom button and enter the correct Wi-Fi information. 4. Scan the QR code on the app. 5. After hearing the beep sound, click the button and waiting about 20 seconds. The setup is finished. Put the Home Pro anywhere you want to monitor from your smartphone. Note: A. Make sure the device is on and the red light is flashing. B. Smartphone and Snowman under the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. C. iOS v9.0 or later or Android v4.0 or later. Supports cloud storage or Class 4 and above. 8 GB 128 GB microSD cards with FAT32 format SD card excluded. Package included 1 Blurams Snowman camera, 1 mounting accessories, 1 USB cable with power adapter, 1 user guide. Good camera. Okay app. I was intimidated by the whole app setting thing, but actually it was quite easy to do. I even tried to do it on a different phone and it was easy to reset and set up again. The picture quality was good and it has 2 options if you want good quality pics versus mediocre quality. The app itself was and too impressive for me. The camera works good. On the other hand, sound is clear pictures. However, if you want to record your footage you need your SD card along with this camera or you have to pay monthly to have it in the cloud, which I don't like to do that. The SD card also has to be small one to fit because I ordered the regular SD card and it DOS and fit. Click the link in the description for more details and discounts.